Namaste, my name is Kapil Savaikar and welcome back to my channel Solo Ride for Peace. Usually I give you details about my trips across India on my solo bike ride trips, but this time I decided to give you a small review about this beautiful book called Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. Yuval Noah Harari is a great historian and he has been giving lectures across the globe. This book gives you a very beautiful detail about the formation of planet Earth, emergence of organism and gradual development from chimpanzees to the Homo sapiens, Neanderthalans, and after Neanderthalans extinction, how people have settled across various continents across this globe, the very spreading of Homo sapiens from the African continent to the Middle East, then to European countries, then to Mediterranean seas, USA's and Australian archipelagus also. This book is really a beautiful book. The person who has interest in history, anthropology, or who has interest in world polity, history, historical events like religions also, he has given us various details about the very old artifacts which have been found in France caves, where we can see a beautiful sculpture of ivory coast which shows a head of lion or lioness and the body of a human beings. He has also said that the 30,000 years ago our ancestor was more smart and intelligent that they could have been easily understood our language and our technology also. It also discusses about the spreading of very Homo sapiens from African continent to the various continents of this world, an extinction of Neanderthalans, gradual development of the people and formation of tribes, then from tribes to the development of kingdoms and empires, how agriculture revolution came into existence, the impact of agriculture revolution, whether agriculture revolution was beneficial for us or it is a trap, whether we tamed the plants like wheat or that plant of wheat tamed us. He has declared or discussed everything in very detail. He has also discussed the various wars across the globe from very ancient time till today's Cold War of USA and Russia and the impact of it. This book also discusses about the various ideologies like communism, liberalism and different kinds of formation of religions like Christianity, Buddhism and Islam and Zoroastrian. This book also discusses about the very findings of the first written document of our history which was established in Sumerian Empire, and that written document does not indicate about philosophy, religion or any kind of poetry, but it discusses about the tax system and the owner of that particular property. He also discusses about the various kinds of evolution which took place like cognitive revolution, agriculture revolution, then the scientific revolution, industrial revolution and today's science revolutions also he has discussed in detail. He also discusses about the detailed impact of different kind of ideologies across the globe and impact of those ideologies in 400 years ago or 800 years ago, and what would be the present scenario in global atmosphere today and what would be the future of our sapient. This book also tells us about the gradual development from agriculture to the today's scientific revolution, and now we are heading towards the genetical development and biological developments also, and what would be the impact of those scientific developments in our day-to-day lives in a contemporary world today, and what would be the future of our species. It also discusses the impact of nuclear weapons on the today's world and what would be the impact of the information technology which is going to happen in near future. So this book is really an amazing book which also gives us in detail about the thoughts of Buddhism. Gautam Buddha also he had discussed in detail in his one, he had actually dedicated one chapter about India's Gautam Buddha. He also gave a one chapter dedicated to the Confucius from China. He also discusses about the Qin dynasty of China. He discusses various empires like Roman empires, Spain Empire, British Empire. He also discusses about colonization. He also discusses about the very first trip of Columbus. He also gives us a detail about the formation of New York of today's and California also. What would be the future of our scientific and political nexus? What would be the future of genetics? What would be the future of biotechnology? He has discussed a very beautiful and a detailed manner in this book. So I would definitely recommend you to read this book at least once in a while, or I would say a very person who is very interested about the very past of human history and present scenario and what would be our future. So this is the answer to all your questions. A book written by Yuval Noah Harari, A Brief History of Humankind's Sapiens. And after reading this book, I have shifted to this book, and this book was recommended by my friend who lives in Germany. We just met on my last solo bike ride trip to Rajasthan. So I met Luca in Rajasthan trip, and he suggested me that go to this book also. So after finishing this book, I am reading this book. I will definitely give you a review of this book also. And another friend of mine has suggested me to read this book. So after finishing this book, I'll read this book also. And the review of this book has been specially asked by my friend who lives in USA. Her name is Joy. So she has encouraged me to give me a review about this book so that she can also feel to read about these books. So thank you very much, Joy, for giving me an idea to give me a small review about this book. And to tell you about Joy, who is my friend in USA, she has a beautiful channel, and I will give link in the description, that whenever I feel like go deep into a kind of meditation, so I listen to her channel. I'll give you a description to my channel. So whenever you find like go into the meditation kind of feeling or peaceful music, do visit her channel. So keep watching my channel also, Solo Ride for Peace. Thank you so much for your valuable time. This is a corona time, so be careful, be patient. Nothing lasts forever, but tough people do last.